Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the 11th question in exercise 4.6. If A matrix is given, find A inverse and use it to solve the system of equations. So in order to find A inverse, first let's compute determinant of A. So this is going to be equal to determinant of 1 minus 1, 1. 2, 1 minus 3, 1, 1, 1. So let's expand along the first row. So 1 into 1 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, plus 1 into 2 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, plus 1 into 2 minus 1. So if you evaluate, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 1. So adding up you get to have 10. Now let's calculate the cofactors for this particular set of matrix. So A11 is going to be equal to 4, A12 will be equal to minus 5, A13 is going to be equal to 1. Now A21 is going to be equal to 2, A22 is going to be equal to 1 minus 1, 0. So A23 is going to be equal to minus 1 minus of minus 1. So this is going to be minus 2. 1 minus of minus 1, so this is minus 2. Now A31 is going to be equal to 3 minus 1, so this is 2. A32 is going to be equal to minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5. You already have a minus sign making it plus 5. Then A33 is going to be equal to 1 plus 2, so which is going to be 3. Now that we have this, the cofactors can be written, adjoint of A can be written as transpose of cofactors. So this will be 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 0 minus 2, 2, 5 and 3. Now the A inverse will be 1 by 10 of this particular adjoint. So this is the A inverse value. But they said that use it to solve the system of equations of this. See, if you note, this particular coefficient matrix, let me call this as C, is going to be 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 3, 1, which is nothing but the transpose of this particular matrix. So in order to compute the coefficients x, y and z, we can actually use whatever we have computed here. So this is going to be the inverse of this particular matrix, where the determinant of these two matrices will be the same. So you already computed the determinant of A, so we are going to directly use that. So 1 by 10. As far as adjoint of A, it is a transpose of this adjoint. So let's write out in this manner. So this will be 4 minus 5, 1. The second row will be 2, 0 minus 2 and the last row will be 2, 5, 3. Now this matrix is to be multiplied with the coefficient matrix, which is going to be 4, 0, 2. So let's perform the multiplication before we divide by 10. So this is going to be 16 plus 0 plus 2. This is going to be equal to 8 plus 0 minus 4. And in the last one, it is 8 plus 0 plus 6. So if you simplify, it is 1 by 10 of 18. And then this is going to be 4 and this is 14. So the value of x is going to be 18 by 10, which is 9 by 5. Then y is going to be 4 by 10, so which is 2 by 5. Z is going to be 14 by 10, so it is going to be 7 by 5. In the next video, we will find the solution to the 12th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.